Are you considering buying Skylark Connect? Here are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer idea of whether Skylark Connect is right for you, especially when you compare it to its competitors. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. First things first, Skylark Connect offers a robust set of features that make it a strong contender in its category. One of the biggest advantages is its seamless integration with popular CRM platforms, making it a go-to for businesses looking for smooth connectivity. Unlike many competitors, Skylark doesn't just connect. You get real-time updates and notifications, which are essential for staying on top of your business operations. Next thing to consider, the user interface. Skylark Connect's interface is clean and intuitive, which means you don't need to spend hours learning how to use it. Unlike some competitors that throw you into a complex system, Skylark gives you a straightforward, easy-to-navigate dashboard. This simplicity doesn't come at the expense of functionality. Whether you're using it for email automation, tracking customer interactions, or syncing data, Skylark makes it easy. Now, let's talk about scalability. Many businesses, especially as they grow, need a solution that can scale with them. Skylark Connect offers flexible pricing plans, so whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, you can find a plan that fits your needs. This is a huge benefit when compared to other products that lock you into one-size-fits-all pricing or force you to upgrade just to unlock basic features. The fourth thing you need to know is the customer support. Skylark Connect offers 24/7 support, which is a lifesaver when you're dealing with critical issues. Competitors like Salesforce and HubSpot do offer support, but Skylark's commitment to fast response times and personalized help really sets it apart. I've personally reached out to their support team and they've been incredibly responsive, definitely a plus when you're running a business. Next up, automation capabilities. One of the reasons businesses love Skylark Connect is its powerful automation features. From automated email campaigns to task management, Skylark streamlines repetitive processes so you can focus on what matters most. Some competitors fall short in this area, offering automation that feels more like a one-trick pony. Skylark, on the other hand, gives you a suite of automation tools to help you in various areas of your business. Another thing to keep in mind is pricing. Skylark Connect positions itself as an affordable solution for businesses of all sizes. When compared to giants like Salesforce, Skylark offers much more competitive pricing without sacrificing the core features. If you're on the fence about price, remember, Skylark Connect often provides the best value for what you get. And lastly, don't forget about the free trial. You can try Skylark Connect for free, and when you use the first link below, you get access to exclusive benefits and the best offers they currently have. It's a no-brainer if you want to see firsthand whether this tool can help you grow your business. If you're looking to give Skylark Connect a try, click the first link in the description below to grab the best free trial offer and exclusive bonuses. You'll be able to test it out without any risk and see if it's the right fit for your business.